Okay, so TCL 17-inch scrollable display was shown at CES. It wasn't really technically announced, but it was shown at CES so that you can see what scrolling OLED displays would look like very soon. They are teasing it because they're already working on something with it, and it really looks nice. So the 6.7 inch rolling smartphone concept is something that has been shown most of the time, but it's what it can do that is really cool. LG, like I said, showed off their rollable OLED smartphone, which they have been working on. This is a 17-inch scrolling display, which is really cool. So it has a very unique and extremely futuristic way of doing its thing, which I like the concept. So what the screen does is that the screen can roll up tightly into one side and can be expanded, and give you the incredible 17-inch display that you would want. The display is actually OLED panel, so it is going to be slim. It's really going to be very slim. It's not going to be cumbersome. It's almost like holding a scroll in your hand. It's very scroll like, because old school scroll, you have to kind of like stretch them apart, and that is how this really looks like. I like the concept, and I think once it makes its way to the mainstream market in a consumer fashion way, it will be something that will be worth talking about. Right now, other brands are trying things that are very similar, like LG for one. I think I talked about LG's rollable smartphone, and this is really looking very, very nice and promising overall. So we will see what ends up happening, but for now, this is the concept, and that is how it's going to look like. And that is it, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Do like our content, follow our social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.